Go to your best last story.
All right, let's go to controller talk.
Controller talk. Xbox announces competition to win furry Sonic the Hedgehog controller.
Look at this.
Okay, my first impression is cozy. My second impression is sweat.
That's what I was just thinking. I was like, this is fun for like 20 minutes.
Like, how long can you hold it for, man?
It's gonna start clumping up too.
But
It's cute.
It is cool.
I don't know if you're gonna use it though.
You just put this on the shelf.
Yeah.
I like
With
the ring. The ring on the Xbox itself is really cool.
Yeah, it's like the rings in Sonic.
A blog post on Xbox Wire announced the competition and the console itself, featuring a gold ring around the speaker with a graphic of Sonic and Knuckles printed next to it, which is also represented in the 2 fluffy gamepads. You know what? Maybe the fluffy part can like squeak off and then on.
Oh, like it's a cozy kind of thing.
Yeah, that would be the ideal scenario, that you could have it on or off. You could display it with it on, and then maybe if the extended gaming session, you slip it off. So
yeah, this is a nice collaboration with Paramount and Xbox. It's fun for the Sonic Hedgehog 2.
There's my thing going off again. I'm dying. I am dead.
Looks like he's gotta go.
Time is coming after me. I am being hunted by time. I appreciate everybody who joined here today. Tomorrow is going to be a comprehensive, absolutely Banana Town video / live stream. It's a big show. It's a big show tomorrow in order to make up for today. I apologize on behalf of the entire team, especially Mo.
Yeah, sorry guys.
And if somebody says Kleenex to you, think twice.
Oh.